Okay guys, so we have learned to to check the stock overview and how much inventory do we have in our stock. Now we will be moving towards creating a purchase order. And in order to create a purchase order, we will be clicking over the material management and then we will press create purchase order. But before that, I will first clear up what is the situation and the scenario in the case study. So you have implemented a new warehouse management system in your company and you need to look over and now it's saying that you need to create a purchase order, and in order to select the vendor your vendor code must be 103 and the last digit should be your SAP user ID digits that I have already provided you with. And then you need to fill up this information as the purchase organization and purchase group and company code. Moreover, you need to order around 50 kpad and they have given you the details of the storage location, that where they will arrive, and the $40 as net price and 8 days from today as a delivery date. And moreover, there we also need to create a purchase order for e-pad as well, that is the elbow pad I believe, and k-pad is the knee pad. So what we have to do is that we need to create a purchase order from the following information. So we will go over and we will press the purchase order. I've also written this stuff in this slide. So you need to enter the vendor number, that is 103, and your ID. So for my case it would be okay. So as soon as you click over create a purchase order, I think there are issues with the internet problem. Yeah, internet. I don't know why this happens. Anyways, we have clicked to create a purchase order and now it's loading. Okay, so we need to make sure it's standard PO. Yes, it is standard purchase order, and we are entering the number that is already guided you, that 103 and your own SAP ID. So here it is 103 and my ID is 005. It will find and select. It's just loading. Okay, so it's Delaz Bike Basics. I don't know why it's not searching. Mm, Let us try from here. I've clicked the two square boxes. That is working very slow. Okay, so I have written the vendor name code that I require. Okay, अगर इस तरह का कोई मसला है, if you find any of this kind of problem, you can just go again from here home, and this normally happens because of the internet connectivity. Okay, so that here we go in our materials. and create a purchase order. We will select standard PO and then 100 103 103 005. We need to press enter. This is what we were making a mistake. Now, as soon as you will press and enter, it will load the vendor and you need to enter these three things. So, as it's told in your case study as well, that you need a purchase organization, purchase group, and company code, and it is given to you US 00 and 00 and US 00. Okay, US 00 and 00. It's North America is your purchasing group, the area for which, or you can say the division for which you are purchasing, and purchase organization is GBI US, and the company code is same. So purchase organization and company is code is same actually. This same organization. So now what you have actually done is that you have created a vendor, opened the vendor, not created the vendor. You have opened the vendor from which you are purchasing the product, from whom which you are purchasing the product, and you have entered your organization details and for the division that you are buying, that is the North American division of the company. Moreover, now what we have to do is that we need to enter the KPAD as a material in the purchase order that we need to require, and 50 as a purchase order quantity, and SD00 as a plant for which we require, and PG00 as a warehouse location, that is our storage location, and 40 as a net price, and 8 days from today. The same thing has been mentioned in your case study as well. So here we're going. I want to select KPAD 1005 because my code was 005 as per my ID of SAP. Now PO quantity is 50. Okay, now what is the delivery date? It's 8 days from now. For example, today is 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just keep 7 days. Okay, now we need net price. Net price has been given to us, that is $40. And then we mentioned 50 as a units that we require, purchase order quantity, that is the 50 units of KPAD 1005. Plant, what was the plant code given to us in our case study? It's SD00. And storage location is TG00. TG00. Okay, now we have done this. We have entered the material code KPAD 1005. We have entered the quantity. We have entered the price. We have entered the plant and the storage location. And now we will press a save button to create a purchase order. So I'll just click over here and you see that it's loading. So here at the bottom you'll see the standard PO created under the number 4500000795. So this is how you will create a purchase order and then you will press a save. So this will be saved. Okay. So this is how we will be creating a purchase order and um, I hope you will understand and practice as well, and in case of any issues you can ask me.